Good afternoon, student. I welcome you all to the English class. And in the class today, I am going to start tenses. Students, tense is a form of word which express time of an action or a state of mind. For example, he is playing action. He is happy. It is a state of mind. Students, now I am going to tell you about the tenses. There are three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. I am reading one sentence. I get up early in the morning. In sentence 1, the verb get refers to the present tense. Now, the second, I played hockey yesterday. In second sentence, the verb played refers to past time. I shall go to Amritsar tomorrow. In sentence third, the verb shall go refers to future time. Students, the present tense indicates that the action is done at the present time, as I see an aeroplane in the sky, he reads a book, he plays cricket, she dances well. These are the example of present tense. The past tense. Past tense indicates that the action was done in the past time, as I saw an aeroplane in the day. He played hockey yesterday. He jumped into the river. Student in first tense saw. The work has been done in past time, and I saw an aeroplane yesterday in the sky. The future tense indicates that the action will be done in the future time, as I shall see an aeroplane, he will read a book, he will play hockey tomorrow. Each of the three main tenses has four forms. Simple means indefinite. It simply states an action. Continuous. It indicates that the action is going on, it is in progress, it is incomplete. Perfect. It indicates that the action is complete. Perfect continuous. It shows that the action has been continuous. Aspect of tenses. Simple indefinite. We play cricket. We read book. Continuous. He is playing. Perfect. He has done it. Perfect continuous. It has been raining for an hour. Student, tomorrow I will tell you about the uses of tenses, how the tenses work, how to express what actually takes place in the present moment, in the past moment, in the future moment, and present, past, and future. In this sentence, I will explain you all the situation, how to express what actually takes place at the present moment, past moment, and future moment. So thank you so much for listening me. I hope you might have understood everything very well. If you have any complaint, you can send your complaint. You can send your suggestion in the message box. And tomorrow uh, I will again in front of you to explain the uses of tenses. And thank you so much for listening me.